Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. Well, actually today it is the test bar because we are going to be making a little twist on the classic cocktail, the Blue Lagoon. It has such a tropical name to it, but I feel like the flavor profile of it is not very tropical. So we are going to make it a Tropical Blue Lagoon. And we'll be doing that using our blue curacao syrup and some coconut rum, pineapple juice, lemon, and just regular white rum. So I think this is gonna be a really great flavor combination. So let's get to whipping up this delicious cocktail. It'll be great for the summer. So the first step here, we're just going to add in all of our liquids. So I'm going to be putting in 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Next, I'm going to be putting in 1/2 ounce of some Malibu coconut rum. You can use whatever coconut rum you have on hand. 1.5 ounces of regular white rum. Now we'll just juice in 1/2 of a lemon. And lastly, our secret ingredient, we're going to be putting in 1.5 pumps of our blue curacao syrup. And now all we have to do is add some ice. All right, we have all of our ice in here, and last thing we need to do is blend it up. So let's give this a good blend. All right, perfect. Let's get this into our glass and take a sip. All right, and now all that's left to do is give this a little garnish. So I have a lemon wheel right here. I'm gonna place in there some cherries. And what is a tropical drink without a party parasol? Did you know what that's what these are called? These little umbrellas. I had no idea, I just called them drink umbrellas, but apparently they're actually called party parasols. So you learn a little something new every day. All right. Last but not least, stick a straw in. Look at this beautiful, beautiful tropical cocktail. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is so good. This is kind of a drink that you would expect to get if you're just basking on a cruise ship by the pool, waiting to get to your next destination, or just on an island, basking in the sun at the island bar. This is what it is. This is what you're drinking. So cheers. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you give this Tropical Blue Lagoon a try at home. You definitely will not regret it. You're going to fall in love with this recipe. So if you do give it a try, make sure you let us know in the comments below what you thought about it. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe, tips and tricks, or a customer testimonial video. And you can also find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. See you next time.